The bond market is the largest securities market in the world. Its sheer scale is rivaled only by its diverse nature. Bond prices are traded over the counter rather than through a centralized exchange, and there can be multiple bonds from the same debt issuer. This makes bond pricing more complicated than equity pricing. Bonds also trade less frequently, so liquidity can be limited. Investors have the opportunity to cut through this exceptionally diverse bond market and find new investment opportunities by using carefully constructed bond indices. Introduced in the 1980s, bond indices have been used to produce strategic, low-cost investment products in the market without picking individual bonds. Bond indices measure the performance of segments of the market. An index can be narrowed to specific subsets or risk parameters, like maturity or credit rating, to tailor the index to investors' specific investment criteria. To maximize value from these bond market opportunities, market developed iBoxx indices, giving investors access to a broad range of liquid, investment-grade, and high-yield bond markets. Each iBoxx index is carefully designed by a team of experts who use a rigorous, rules-based approach to distill the complexities of index construction into a simple output. The team starts by defining the scope and size of the market and then determines what criteria are needed to capture representative bond data. By classifying all the index components, it's possible to create a larger set of related sub-indices. The iBoxx team determines the weighting of each index component, and the index is meticulously backtested. The calculation of historical time series shows how it would have performed. This provides investors with valuable insight to compare and assess the risk-return profile of the index. After launching an index, Market's iBoxx team ensures data integrity by publishing daily calculations, rebalancing the index, and following best practices in index production. This ensures the index reflects its original objectives and supports the creation of tradable products. Perhaps that's why two of the largest global corporate bond ETFs were created using iBoxx indices. With iBoxx bringing simplicity and transparency into a historically complex and opaque asset class, you can have the visibility and insight needed to invest confidently. To learn more about how iBoxx can provide visibility and insight to your investment strategies, visit market.com.